better to love than to give into hate.
Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is LaVonne Tanisha. If this is your first time coming to my channel, please hit subscribe. This video is more of a get ready with me. We're gonna go through this makeup look. We're gonna go through how I put my hair up in this puff and just some things that's been going on, you know, this past winter, things that are coming up into the spring. If you want to see how I did this look, hair and makeup, please stay tuned and let's get into the video. Getting ready to go to dinner with some of my girlfriends because I have been in the house for about maybe a week. I am coming off of surgery, so you know, when you're in the house you really don't do much. I haven't done my hair, really haven't done my makeup. I had some new products, so I was playing with my makeup, but other than that, no. I've been a little carefree around here, so just wanted to put myself together and go out. Today is National Margarita Day, so we're gonna go out and have margaritas and go to the movies. That's our thing, like dinner at movies. So if you guys seen the video, I was in Cancun for New Year's. I know I'm going back like a month, but I was in Cancun for New Year's. This is my first time going on a winter vacation and I had such a great time. I'm gonna use my melt stack today to do my eyeshadow. We had so much fun in Cancun. The weather was perfect. It was just nice to get away during the time, you know, for a holiday. I am sweeping rubbish above my crease. I needed a break. And I just needed a vacation to relax. Like, I posted a Greece video that was from July. But, you know, when you're sightseeing and traveling, you're getting up, you know, early to go see, you know, different museums and things. You don't really have time to just rest. Like, you need a vacation from a vacation when you get back home. And I didn't really have that, so. There are a couple places I want to go this year. Right now, I am using, this is called Rust, from the Melt Cosmetic Rust Stack. There's a couple places I want to see now, or go now. I want to go to Spain, but I think that's going to be on my list for 2021. But I would like to go to Ibiza. And 2021, I will be 40 years old. So I'm thinking I'll just do that for my 40th birthday. So it works. God willing. I'm going to use Assimilate from the Rust Stack. And I'm going to put this on my lid. I'm going to use this brush from It Cosmetics to place this on my lid. So like I said, today is National Margarita Day, and you know, all these national days that they have now, it's not like you really have to do anything, but there's a place by me, and they're gonna have margaritas, discounted prices tonight, so I think it'll be a good little chill spot. This color right here is called Rot. And I'm gonna put this in the outer corners of my eye just to smoke it up a little bit. I didn't wanna go too smoky, so it's more like halfway. I'm just gonna bring it down and kind of into my lash line. This is like one of my go-to eyes. I like working with matte colors. You know, shimmer's fun, glitter's fun, but matte is like soft and it's more, I'm not gonna say polished, but you know, when you just wanna look put together, but not overdoing it. I think glitter would be too much for tonight, so I'm just gonna stick with matte. A matte eye. This color here, this is Swiss Chocolate by MAC. I'm just gonna put this above my crease a little bit just to warm up this area. Sometimes when you do grays and browns, it can get a little muddy. So if you put in like a color that has more of a red base or an orange base, for my skin complexion, it's gonna warm up the area so it doesn't look so ashy. Moving on, I'm gonna wipe up my face. So I'm gonna use my Jason Revitalizing Moisturize Cream. I love this cream. You've seen it in all my videos. You know, especially during the winter time because it's really dry outside right now. Like, it's been so dry this winter and my lips been peeling. So I just like to make sure my skin stays hydrated when I'm out in these elements. Next, I'm gonna go into my Tatcha primer. This is the Silk Canvas Primer. I'm just going to rub it around and place it on my T-zone. Next, I'm going into my foundation. This is MAC Pro Long Nourishing Waterproof Foundation. This is NC50. I'm gonna put this on my brush. Blend it in. I travel usually on the weekend to do makeup, and I travel to do bodybuilding makeup. So let's talk about that. So March through November is the bodybuilders. So you have bikini, you have fitness, you have physique, you have, now they have a new one called wellness, and then bodybuilding, like women's bodybuilding. And I get the same questions all the time. You know, like, do you do their bodies too? I'm like, no, I don't do their bodies, but they do get a spray tan. I have to match up their faces with their spray tan. I've been traveling with the NPC for about 6 years now. This will be my 6th season with them, and I love it. I love it. I've gotten a lot of clientele through the organization, and one, I used to be a bodybuilder. I don't know if I shared that in my videos before. I used to be a bodybuilder. I competed in 2015 as a figure competitor, and it was a good experience. This is how I was able to branch out and meet one of the sponsors, and once I met her, we started working together, doing hair and makeup. That was, the concealer I just used was Tarte Shape Tape and Deep Sand. So now I'm just blending this out. Bodybuilding, like I said, was a good experience. It taught me how to eat if I really wanted to get small. And the best thing about it is just knowing that you have the mindset, the willpower, the discipline, and the consistency, you know, to follow through to your goal. I work with a trainer, and she was able to go through a diet with me and you know, basically coach me through the process. So with her help, I was able to reach my goal and compete. I'm gonna set with Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC. This is NW58 Studio Fix Powder by MAC. I'm going to use this as my contour. Most of the shows are about an hour, hour and a half, 2 hours away. So I have to do a little bit of traveling. It's not always the fun part of my job, but you know, I gotta get to the girls. And I love being available to them because I understand the process, I know the process, I know what they're thinking, and you know, it is a big day. So I like bringing a calmness to them because you are a little anxious, you're on stage, it could be your first time, but it's a really good experience. I try to reassure them that everything's gonna be okay. This is what they practice for. And, you know, like I said, just go out there and have fun. If you have any questions about bodybuilding or makeup or, you know, stage makeup, you can put them in the comment section or you can email me. My email is MakeupLove by LaVonne at gmail.com. You can find me on Instagram. That's how I get a lot of my clients. My Instagram is MakeupLove by LaVonne. Yeah, so I usually just do the East Coast, Mid-Atlantic, MPC. People always ask me, is there a difference between the two, stage makeup and regular makeup? And it is. You know, you have all types of light shining down on you, where the lights will wash you out. So it is important that you go a little bit heavier, a little darker, actually a lot darker for your foundation, but you don't want to get washed out on stage. You still want to see definition in your face. You don't want your nose to disappear. So things like that. You don't want your lips to disappear on stage. Okay, moving on, I'm gonna do my mascara and then I'm gonna apply some lashes. So I'm doing my lashes right now. I'm gonna reuse these pair, but they have glue on the band. So you wanna take tweezers and pull the glue off before you apply new glue to your band. Lashes make such a big difference. Look at that. I'm using my black opal eyeliner. This is in Licorice to line my waterline. I'm going to take the other end of my IT Cosmetics brush, the one that I use my eyeshadow color on, and I'm going to smudge right underneath of my waterline. So I'm going to mix it in with my eyeliner, and that's basically setting your eyeliner. I'm going to take my little chestnut pencil. I'm still holding on to it. This lipstick is called Double Fudge. This is by MAC. And just to lighten it up, I'm gonna put in Growing Trend right in the middle of it. So now I'm gonna set my makeup. I'm gonna set it with the Morphe Continuous Spray. And then I'm gonna go back with my mascara and I'm gonna do my bottom lashes just for a little more definition. So now that my makeup is done, I'm gonna move on to my hair. I'm gonna add a little bit of water to it. Just so it's manageable. Now that I can move it, I am going to do a puff cuff tonight. It's going to be like a puff on top of my head. I don't know if you ever seen one of these little things. It's called a puff cuff. It has saved my life so many times. I love this thing. You can buy it online, puffcuff.com, I believe. And it's just the best thing for natural hair for me. So I'm going to take a little bit of my Eco Styler gel and just put it on my edges. Then I'm gonna brush up, take a brush and brush it up into place. Let's see what it does this time. I know, if you see the commercials, they make it look so easy. This is not sponsored by them, so they're not paying me to do this. Then as your hair dries, it gets like a little bit bigger, a little bit fuller. But that's what I do. So now I'm just gonna lay my little edges down. There you are. Hey loves, this is my final look. This is my puff cuff with this look, this makeup look. I actually really love how my makeup turned out. It's like a little smoky, on the natural side as well too. It's nice to put yourself together and dial up every now and then. I do it for my clients and I love, you know, their reactions when it just boosts their spirit, boosts their confidence. And you know, sometimes we take it for granted because I have the talent to do it, but you know, sometimes I needed it as well. So I hope you like this look. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell so you'll be alerted every time I upload new videos. And that's about it. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.